Alright, top coat number one's on. This spray is a lot better than the sealer did, so instead it's a filler primer. I'm going to try to put a couple coats. I'm glad the color's a little bit darker. A little worried about that. The other was really too light, so hope they kind of fade it all in, and then hopefully the final coat will be darker. That's going to come closer to matching the other primer on the car, so let's let this dry. Alright, so here we are. Put a couple more coats of primer on here I did not show you. And then sanded it with some 400. It's turned out pretty good. There's a little dip right there, but hoping I can clean up a little of this overspray and make it look the way it should. I'm gonna hit it with some 1000 grit by hand just to kind of knock some of the edges, rough stuff out. And then I'm gonna spray it with a final coat. So let's get her done. And that pretty much does it. Hopefully this will clean up a little bit. It's got some sand and dust on it still. I'll polish that part back out a little bit. And yeah, it's hopefully when it dries, it'll look a little better. Again, it's a little lighter than this, but it's just a primer I had to work with. So I think it's gonna look okay. It's better than the rusty spots. Adds to the truck. It is what it is. Still a rough paint job, what's left of it. At least it's not rusting and flaking off anymore, so we'll let her dry. Now the next thing, gotta tackle that hose and figure out why I don't have any brakes.